Hello everyone, this is your girl Carol right here, and today I'm going to be unboxing and putting together this beautiful nightstand for my room. I got this nightstand from Amazon and it was really cheap and affordable. So if you guys want to see how I put this nightstand together, then keep on watching. And I was left with this beautiful nightstand. Please do not forget to subscribe down below. Also, if you would like to see future videos like this one, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching and see you on the next one.